If you are new to becoming a worm farmer, here are a few common pests that you could find in your worm bins. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. If you're new to worm farming and you're thinking about getting your worm farm started, listen to me. I am not trying to make money off of you, but I do get a small commission. But I highly recommend and encourage you to read the book, Worms Eat My Garbage. It's easy to read, great tips on how to start a worm farm. And now, common pests that you can experience into your worm farm if you're doing it wrong are red mites, snails, fruit flies, spiders, or ants. Those are 5 of the top 5 pests that you can experience. And for me, what I have experienced is fruit flies. And I think that the reason I had fruit flies into my worm farms is because of the banana peels and the eggs that were laid on them. So the best thing you can do is to freeze your banana peels and then thaw them out and place them into your worm farms. And how I also eliminated that was I buried my food scraps under the worm bedding, the newspaper, and cardboard. And I also made fruit fly traps to help eliminate the unwanted pests. Now, the reason why most people get the mites and the other critters into their worm farms is because my personal opinion is the fact that they use leaves from outside. For me, I would recommend and encourage you not to do that. If you want to help to eliminate the problem with the unwanted pests, just start off with your basic everyday household essentials that are in your home, such as your shredded newspaper, your shredded cardboard. If you want to use peat moss, you can go that route, or cocoa coir. But I'm telling you, I think the number one reason why the pests get inside of worm farms is because of the things that people bring from outside into your home. But if you want to keep your outside worm bin, then that's not a problem. You can have all the spiders, the ants, and all the other critters that are from outside that you want to stay outside to help break down with the process when it comes to your food scraps. So, what's the worst pest that you have ever had inside of your worm farm, and how did you eliminate it? Let's help each other out. If you like this video, give it a like. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. And I just want to say thank you for taking time out to watch this video. You have a great day. Bye.